In this video, we're going to talk about properly phasing transformers in an HVAC system. In a lot of the equipment that is being put out in the field these days, there is a transformer normally in the indoor unit, the fan coil or the furnace, but there is also sometimes a transformer in the outdoor unit. So keeping the voltage from these two transformers separate is something that a modern technician needs to keep in mind. So here we have an example of a normal line voltage 220 volt transformer that steps the line voltage down to a 24 volt control. And you'll notice on the data tag on the transformer that the red wires are the 220 volt coming into the transformer, and the blue wires are the 24 volt going out to the control circuit. So what we want to do is tie any of the two blue wires together, and then you want to take a voltmeter, or you can just touch these wires together, and if you get a spark or you get voltage, then you know that the transformers are not phased correctly together. So if you do get a spark, the next thing you want to do is take the other two blue wires and tie them together, and then take your voltmeter and check the voltage between those blue wires that you have taken apart. And if you have 0 voltage, then the transformers are tied together in the proper manner and they're properly phased. So as we stated, on a lot of outdoor units, you're going to have a 24 volt transformer that is tied into the circuit board on the outdoor unit. And with the thermostat hookups, you will be generally directed not to hook up 24 volts to the outdoor unit from the indoor, because the outdoor unit has a transformer of its own. You'll also see on some thermostat hookups that you will have an RC connection and an RH connection. These are usually done, like in this example, on a boiler or radiant system with an air handler and conventional cooling or heating, to keep the power from the air conditioner or heat pump separate from the boiler power. So when wiring up indoor and outdoor units, make sure that you check the installation instructions and make sure that if the indoor and outdoor does have a transformer, that you keep them separate. Now, if the transformers are phased together correctly, it really wouldn't make any difference if you wired it into the outdoor unit, because then the transformers would work together instead of against each other. But if they were incorrectly phased, then one of the transformers, either the indoor or the outdoor, would fail after a period of time because of the voltage being generated by the improper phasing. So always keep in mind, if you have a 2-transformer system, they should be kept separate.
Go to arefco.com for more videos. Like, subscribe, and check back every week for new videos.